The Texas Hill Country flooding takes a toll, even for families not immediately impacted. Many parents have to explain this tragedy to their younger children. KHOU 11's Julissa Garza spoke with a psychologist from Texas Children's Hospital. She has tips on navigating these tough conversations.
As new details emerge and the reality of this disaster sets in, experts say it's important to consider how we talk to kids about what's happening. For younger children, especially those not directly impacted, it may be best to limit what they see or hear. But older kids and teens are likely already taking in this information, whether through social media or conversations around them. The images are devastating. Floodwaters sweeping through summer camps, homes lost, families still searching for loved ones. As this tragedy unfolds, mental health experts say parents should validate whatever their children are feeling.
There's no rule book for trauma or grief or responding to such a terrible situation. And so we should expect a number of different responses from an emotional standpoint, whether it's sadness or anger or grief, but also behaviorally, we might see extra clinginess or anxiety, not wanting to sleep alone.
Dr. Price with Texas Children's Hospital says limiting kids' exposure to coverage and sticking to routines can help them cope.
We also want to make sure that they know it's okay to engage in fun, pleasant, distracting activities. This isn't something that we need to be thinking about and talking about constantly. It's okay to do our hobbies, to go outside, to get in the swimming pool. In fact, it's really healthy to move our bodies and take care of them.
Texas Children's has trauma counseling available, including virtual options for families who need support. In the newsroom, Julissa Garza, KHOU 11 News.